All right, our next exercise is going to be wall angels. So we have Haley here up against a wall, and just to review your wall posture, we're going to have her press the shoulder blades back into the wall. At home, if you stand against a wall, you want your tailbone to be touching the wall. You want your feet to be hip width apart. Your knees are soft. Bottom is against the wall. Slight curve in your low back, so your low back should be away from the wall. Rib cage should be contacting the wall. Rolling the shoulders back to open the chest, and the back of your head is against the wall, drawing the neck up nice and long. Haley looks perfect. Then you're going to take the backs of the hands and press them into the wall. Good. Go ahead and inhale, let the rib cage expand. So again, as you inhale, we want to feel that rib cage expand laterally into my hands. And as you exhale, rebound. Perfect. Inhale, expand laterally. Press the ribs out into my hands. Exhale and gently draw in. Good. So we have nice long posture against the wall. We're going to add the wall angel. Just work the shoulders a little bit and get a nice stretch through the pectoralis muscle. So we're going to have you inhale as you bring the arms up overhead, keeping the elbows soft. And as much as you can, trying to keep those elbows back against the wall, fingertips against the wall. You're going to feel a really strong stretch. I can tell Haley can feel it through the front of the shoulders, and you might feel some stretching in the upper back as well. Then we're going to exhale as we come back down. Good. There's one. And we're going to inhale as we bring the arms up overhead, feeling that rib cage expand laterally. Let the rib cage move out to the sides. Exhale, and everything's going to rebound. We're not going to suck our tummy in here. We're not going to press our low back into the wall. We're going to keep the pelvis untucked. Good. All right, so the next one we're going to do for your shoulders is more of a rotator cuff exercise. Rotator cuff is very important for new moms because you're lifting a lot of stuff, and so you don't want to strain or tear your rotator cuff. So we're going to start working on not only mobility of the rotator cuff, but also strength and awareness of the rotator cuff. So we're going to do what's called a stick 'em up. So we're going to have you put your elbows straight out to the sides. Again, dropping the shoulder blades down and back, keeping your good wall posture, so your gentle lumbar curve. Not clenching your belly. Remember, it's okay to have a belly. You're newly postpartum. That's normal. So you're going to exhale as you bring the hands up. Inhale as you bring them down. Good. If this is uncomfortable for you in the shoulder to hold the hands up for that long, then it's okay to drop the elbows down and keep them pressed against the wall and still move in that same pure rotational motion, keeping the shoulder blades pressed back and the chest open. So we're really working here to counteract that breastfeeding posture where we're down here and the shoulders are being pulled forward. Really working to open the shoulders and open the chest, as well as strengthen the rotator cuff and the muscles that support your shoulder blades.